Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Getting a PHP not found error in VS Code. Let's fix it quickly so you can run your PHP code without any issues. First of all, install the PHP. Download PHP from the any browser. Go to the php.net and you can download it from here. After downloading it, add PHP to system path. In Windows, search environment variable like open edit the system environment variables. Click environment variables, then path edit and new. Add the path to your PHP folder. Then check the PHP installation. Open the VS Code. After you have opened the VS Code, in the terminal type PHP space -v and enter it. You should see your PHP version. Configure VS Code. To configure the VS Code, go to the setting at the below gear icon. There is the setting. Go to the settings option. After that, go to the settings, extension and PHP. Search here PHP. After you have searched PHP, set the PHP executable path to your PHP folder if needed. Then restart your VS Code. Close and open the VS Code so it will recognize the updated path. And that's it. VS Code now can run PHP smoothly. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and comment below what PHP project you are working on, and happy coding.